point, I was saying that the masculine is going through a period of like really exploring love, okay? But it's not what it looks like, okay? From a 3D sense, it could be dating other feminines, and this from a higher perspective, I feel like is so needed, because when you don't take the time to really see what energies feel like, okay, hear me out, okay? Okay, I'm gonna give you an example. If someone had a child really young and they were kind of forced by society to stay with that person, even though that person wasn't for them, or even if the person was for them, right? That's beside the point. They were forced to stay with this person, and through the years, they felt this resentment. So in order for this masculine not to have resentment in the connection, they have to kind of explore what a connection feels like now that they know their sense of self-worth. Okay, now I do feel like the masculine is in this energy of celibacy, or like not really exploring in that way, or they're being guided to not do that, because once they start mixing energies, they lose the sense of discernment. Okay, so it's not what it looks like, but in the 3D form, in a 3D perspective, it might look like they're still not fully committed, but they're committing to themselves in this process of figuring out what a relationship looks like with that's not with their divine feminine. Does that make sense? It's like they're understanding the difference through exploring the love, okay? And that's going to be really hard for the feminine collective in the 3D, but spiritually, I think once they detach from the outcome, which is what they're being guided to do, they'll understand how everything plays its part. Everything is interconnected, okay? And okay, so the masculine is exploring the energy of love and learning how to trust their intuition. And their intuition is the feminine, okay? The feminine energy. So that's where I'm telling you it's so interconnected, because it's like as they're trusting themselves through navigating this energy of exploring love, they're also gaining a sense of trust towards the feminine. Loyalty is being highlighted, okay? Embodying core values, that's the test for the masculine. Their core values is the key to them aligning with true love, okay? And that's the key. That's what's gonna help them with discernment with these other connections that are coming in to help them figure it out, okay? Words and actions equal alignment. Loyalty starts with self. They have to be loyal to themselves and what they're being guided to do, and their path, their journey, which goes into, it's like the feminine just learned that, oh, I gotta let you do your thing. Now they're gonna be tested, like, are you really gonna let the masculine do their thing, even if it looks like it's gonna be distracting and triggering? But that's why the key is for the feminine to focus on the self, okay? That's what shifts everything in the connection, okay?